Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share one of a cartoon female avatar that I created in Vroid Studio, and now I already converted it to become an iClone avatar for your iClone 7 and iClone 8 3D animation software. The first thing what you are going to do is just go to my video descriptions. I already put the download link at there. Get the Freedom Cartoon Female 01. Once you get it, it is an iAvatar that I'm going to show you. It is an iAvatar that exists in this way. And this iAvatar you can just direct drag into your iClone 7 or iClone 8. Now I open both of the iClone 7 and iClone 8. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate this 3D avatar as well. It is pretty simple. What you can do is just go to here and go to the face key. Click OK. Go to the modified. Wait. For this time, the facial expressions, all I put into the morph animator. Just the top 5 of it. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is the neutral, the angry, the fun, the joy, and the sorrow. The surprise, also one of the facial expressions. And let's say if I want to make this avatar to talk, start talking. It is pretty simple, just click here, create a script. As demo, I'm going to just generate a TTS, is enough for me. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing complete. Right. Then we just test it. I click OK. Just to see the facial expression. And also the viseme, lip sync.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing complete.
So you can use this avatar to create any of the anime, the cartoons, 3D animations. And just now I already create a facial like this. Let's say after a few seconds here, I set the morph animator again. This one, I make it 0. And after a few seconds, just make her angry. Now actually I'm creating the animation. Now just try.
Testing. 1, 2,
You can see
3. Testing complete.
you can animate the facial expression by using the morph animator of this morph that already set up by me. Everything work properly. Right, that's all for today about my sharing of a cartoon female that I created as the iAvatar for your iClone 8 3D animation software. It is compatible with iClone 7 as well. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharing are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing. See you.